Hello all. Hope the soil phase relationship session 1 you have gone through. Today we will be going to the session number 2. This session number 2 we are finding out the relationship between the dry unit weight gamma d dry unit weight and the percentage of air voids. Air voids. I'll be giving it as the prefix will be giving as Na, right? Okay. Everyone, hope you people have remembered this three-phase diagram. This will be calling it as Vs, this is Vw and Va. Completely I'll be calling it as the total volume. I'll be saying it as Vt. The name. This is your Wa, Ww, and this is Ws. Completely I'll be calling it as W. Now, if I want to go with it, I'll be writing V is equals to VA plus VW plus VS. V is equals to 1, as we will be considering the total volume is equals to 1. If I consider the total volume 1, then VA is equals to volume of air divided by total volume I compare with it, plus VW by V plus Vs by V. As we already know that the percentage of air voids, Na is given by Na is equals to Va divided by, I compare with respect to total volume. As we can see over here, it is Va divided by complete V, total V. Once I go with writing out the percentage of air voids, Va by V, then I'll be going with, now I can say as 1 is equals to Vs by V plus Vw by V plus Na, I can write it as. Take this Na outside, 1 minus Na is equals to Vs by V plus Vw divided by V. We'll be naming it as equation A. Now coming out with respect to Vs, we will be finding out the Vs with the expressions. By the specific gravity, we already know that the unit weight of substance or soil to the unit weight of water. If I go with the substitution, I'll be getting with cross multiply G into rho W is equals to rho S. If I made it with a simple form, I'll be saying it as rho S is equals to Ws by Vs. अभी ये क्या करेंगे? Ws by ये है ना, V rho S unit weight of solids यहाँ पे डाल देंगे. So the equation becomes G rho W is equals to Ws by Vs. Coming for this Vs is equals to Ws divided by G rho W. Put this in equation A. Comes with this. If I put this in A, then what happens? As you can see. Then 1 minus Na is equals to bracket and Na is equals to Ws by G rho W, right, divided by V, plus as it is Vw divided by V. Further simplification, I can make it as I can go with this one. Vw is equals to what? Sorry. Vw is equals to weight of water divided by unit weight of weight divided by volume. Okay. Okay. This unit weight of water. Right. I can put it here. Okay. I can put it as weight of solids divided by volume. I will be naming it as, I'll be going with T divided by G rho W plus WW divided by rho W divided by T2B. Right? Now, how we got this? ये question आएगा, ये कैसा मिल गया? ये तो डाला था. Now we are applied with कैसा आया? It came from W is equals to WW divided by WS. We're saying it as weight of water is equals to weight of solids into water content. Okay. Now this expression I can write it as T divided by G rho W plus WS into W divided by rho W. Right? So we get this equation as rho T plus rho W into G plus rho D water content into rho W. A simple one. Now put it up this one, 1 minus Na, 1 minus Na, right? 1 minus Na, bring that one is equals to rho D divided by rho W to 1 divided by G plus W. Right? So simplification. यहाँ पे rho D is equals to rho D. The next one is about what we are getting. The end product is rho D is equals to 1 minus Na rho W divided by 1 divided by G plus W. Simple. Final equation we got is, simplify this again. Simplify this, we'll be getting rho D is equals to G rho W divided by 1 minus Na raised to 1 minus WG. Simple. This is the equation, relationship between unit weight and the percentage of air. Simple. Thank you.